Welcome to the third stop of our fall 2022 28-day cruise, Nafplio, Greece. It was named after the son of the gods Neptune and Anatoly. It also goes by the name of Napoli, which means new town. It has been occupied by Greeks, Turks, Phoenicians, and Western Crusaders known as Franks over the years. It's the first capital of the Greek state between 1828 and 1833. It's a 2-hour drive from Athens, so many people come for getaways from the big city. It is part of the Peloponnese. It is known as a very romantic city with a robust nightlife, beaches, and many restaurants. Some of the famous beaches are Talo, Candia, and Neokios. It has a population of greater than 33,000.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die.
This structure here is what's left of the gate of the old lower town, built in 1708. Now we're going up the hill called Palamidi Hill to go to the Palamidi Fortress. Here we are at pretty much the very top of this fort in Nafplio, Greece. It's a beautiful, hot, actually kind of hot day for late October.
Very hot.
And it's totally sunny. The city's right behind us. It's amazing view. It cost €8 to come to this fort per person. And you can just walk around all over the place. There's a whole large area. You know, it's just a lot to see here. We took hop-on, hop-off bus to come here. It's the first stop on the tour. So we're here. We'll probably spend over an hour or more here, and then go back on the bus and go elsewhere on the city.
I can hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
Wow, look at this view. There is our cruise. Woo, we made it.
Wow.
There is our cruise ship. I think already worth all this thing just to come over here.
Pretty amazing.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Very pretty.
You still keep going up.
Let's get some gorgeous views from the top.
They can certainly defend the place from here against people coming from the sea, invaders and stuff.
We are way on the top of the place.
There's 1,000 steps to get up to this fort.
Wow.
At the top of this fort, this wall is quite high and very thick, and it has a bunch of openings that they made so that you could launch arrows or whatever weapons to the enemy down below on the that might be climbing up, or that were at sea ships. They could probably shoot flaming arrows and put onto the ships and start fires and stuff. So it was a pretty good defense move here. Look at this view from the fort, the top of the fort. You see the whole city. Here is a nice little hiding area that a soldier could sit and observe the enemy and fire upon them as needed.
Carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire.
This place could definitely be defended quite well from here. It's amazing. So much of this fort, high and low areas. From here, there's a stairway there that's supposedly 999 steps all the way down to the city. We're not going to take that, of course. People sometimes come up from somewhere over there and then they have to pay. Here we've already paid through a different entrance where the hop-on hop-off bus dropped us off at. And down there is the tenders where we went to the ship. So it looks like it's real close, but you have to drive all the way down the mountain to get there. It's quite the impressive height here, and there's our ship waiting for us. Palamidi Fortress has been used over the years for various reasons. It was built as a fortress, but it has also been used as a prison. It was first completed in 1714 and has 8 bastions, so that if one was overtaken by the enemy, the others could still be used. The 999 steps is debatable, as some people have counted as little as 857. Either way, it's a lot. It is said that the prisoners that were housed here were made to build the steps. The most famous prisoner here was actually the leader of the Greek Revolution, Theodoros Kolokotronis. Behind us here is the church that they had here at this fort.
You can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
Take a picture of the fort. We were way up there.
There's the fort. We just come from there.
We walked a lot up there. Up and down. Now we're at the seashore. There's a tender coming, one going. There's another fort there. It's a beautiful day here in Nafplio, Greece. It's a little breezy, which is nice. Up there where we were in the fort, there was no wind whatsoever, and it was really quite warm. We were sweating like crazy. Here it's a lot nicer down here by the water. But it's a beautiful day in late October, October 26, 2022.
Now we're gonna explore the shopping area, which is my favorite part.
We've chosen to eat at this restaurant called Piazza Grill Bar Resto. It's a nice little place, very nice man that's helping us, serving us. So we're going to see how it tastes, and we may recommend it if it's very good. Prices aren't bad. And here's Ely drinking sweet red Moscato wine. I just got water myself. We're going to get the shish kebabs to share. Okay, here we are for lunch.
Time for lunch.
We got our to share shish kebab, salad, fries, and some pita bread.
Thank you.
And of course ketchup. Yum, yum, yum.
I'll be your light.
As we tender back to the ship, we pass Bourtzi Castle, which was completed in 1473 to keep pirates and other sea invaders from invading the city. It was a fort until 1865, then the residence for executioners who executed convicts from Palamidi. And then it was a hotel from 1930 to 1970 and is now a tourist attraction that takes a 10-minute boat ride to get there. Thus ends our third stop, Nafplio, Greece, in our 28-day cruise. We hope you enjoyed this video and like and subscribe to our channel.